Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking fresh corn on the cob in my new Ninja Crispi Pro glass air fryer. For this easy recipe, all we need is corn on the cob, olive oil, and seasonings of your choice. I'll just keep it simple and use salt and pepper, but of course customize it to your liking. So I'm going to brush corn with a little bit of oil. And I'm going to sprinkle it with salt and pepper. And now let's take out the glass basket of the air fryer and put corn in the basket. And now put the basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to turn on my air fryer. And I'm going to use a default air fry setting, and we'll set the temperature to 370 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 14 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the corn on the cob. Wow, you can just see how awesome it looks. Looks perfectly grilled. Look at that. That was so easy. Easiest way of cooking corn on the cob ever. It looks so good. Let's take it out. Perfect. Now I'm going to wait a few minutes for it to cool down, and then I'll try it. I'm so looking forward to it. Looks so good. Now I'm back, and let's try this corn. It's so delicious. With such a deep grilled flavor and so tender. You will love it. Air fryer is a perfect way to cook corn, and it's so easy. Really, all you need to do is season it, put it in the air fryer, and it did a perfect job. I didn't even need to flip it. So nicely roasted, so flavorful, so delicious. You will love it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for lots and lots of air fryer recipes. And I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!